This How to 1 Minute will show you how to disable emojis in WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugin and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here WP code and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this WP code plugin. Once the plugin activated, scroll down to this left-hand menu and hover over on code snippets and click on add snippet. Here you have to select add your custom code new snippet. So click on use snippet. And now add title for the snippet. And in this video description below, you will get this code. All you have to need, just copy and paste this code here and click on code type drop down and select PHP snippet. And now scroll down, insert method, select auto insert, location, select everywhere, and scroll up, toggle inactive to active this snippet. Once it's active, click on save snippet. Once the snippet saved, that's all. You have successfully disabled emojis in your WordPress. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.